Welcome back to Spent Too Much Diecast.
Hi everybody.
What's going on, everybody?
Today's a special one.
Today we have the Fast and Furious Lego Technic Dom's Dodge Charger. So it says 1,077 pieces.
That's a lot of pieces.
So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get this thing opened and then start building it on camera. We'll probably do it as a we'll have it speeding up, and then every once in a while we'll stop it and kind of do a recap. But I think this is really cool.
It's awesome.
Yep. And then I also did buy some extra wheels for it to kind of change up the style, so we're gonna do that. And then also they make a lighting kit for this, so I might end up purchasing that. I'm not sure yet if I want to do that or just leave it how it is, but they have a lighting kit that'll light up the headlights, the tail lights, and stuff like that. I've seen it online and it does look pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing open first and get all the pieces out. There's the memory card. And then we'll go ahead and start putting this bad boy together. But this thing is going to be pretty cool.
It's going to be big too. Like, it's not going to be a little Lego.
Yeah, this thing is over 15 inches long. So that is over a foot.
That's bag 2.
So we got bag 2.
Those are some big wheels.
Yeah, look at
Those
look
are
at those
massive.
wheels. Yeah, this thing is going to be huge. Just wait till you see the book. Oh, look at the tires it comes with.
They're so big.
Yeah, those are probably like at least 2-inch wheels on there.
Bag 1.
Here's bag 1. You know what would be cool too? If I could get a minifig to look like Dom. There is bag 4.
They should make a Brian O'Connor one in his Nissan.
Yeah, I wonder if they're going to make any more of these. But I know Lego already has a licensing for Dodge, because they also do Dodge. There's other Chargers and stuff they do. Here's another bag, bag 3. Keep holding it. Here's more wheels.
Oh, this is probably going to be like the base.
There's like a cross beam. It's probably the roof.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that looks like the roof.
A
Here's
wheel.
more wheels.
Oh,
All the little pieces.
A little 2 bag.
And then wait until you see this book.
Oh.
Look at this book.
Oh my gosh! That's like the
I think when I looked it up online, it's like 396
pages.
not pages, but steps.
Steps.
There's still more in here.
Here, wait, let's talk about. Oh, a lot more bags.
More wheels. More of the little bags. More bags. More bags.
Where's your last wheel?
We already got it. It's back here.
Is there anything else in there? Nope.
So there is the 4 wheels.
Oh my gosh.
Here are all the bags. So I guess, well, let's look at the book real quick. Let's get this thing opened.
I like that it actually includes the license plate.
Yep. There. I mean, just look how big that license plate is.
It's like, it's as big as my
pretty
thumb.
cool. Yeah. So there is the stickers it comes with, and then here is
The book.
the book.
Oh my gosh.
Like I said, it's a lot of steps, and then it's pretty cool because in the back of the book,
Oh,
they show
should
all
make
the
all of these.
they show all the different Chargers that he drives
Oh,
in the
an
franchise.
ice charger, that would be cool.
Yep. Well, let's see here.
Hey, a dog.
Let's see how many. Yep, there it is. 358 steps.
And then the page number is
226. Yeah, so this is pretty.
This is large.
This is going to take us a while. So we're going to go ahead and start building this. And like I said, stay tuned. We'll stop it throughout the thing a couple of times
And
just
tell you what's
to
going
show
on.
a progress. And then after that, we'll show
the full
the
product.
finished product at the end.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alrighty guys, and we just finished bag number one.
And it was,
So
that was hard.
let's see, we already did
81 steps.
81 steps.
And that's only bag one.
We're starting bag two here shortly.
That's
But just want to show you, here is the innards of the car. So this is going to be the back end. This is the back differential and suspension. Hold on, and this does,
like,
it will bounce a little bit for the wheels. The only difference that I did back here was I saw a video that if you change the notch on one of these, it'll make the car sit a little bit lower. So I went ahead and did that right away. Otherwise you would have to take all this stuff apart. And you can see back here the gears do move. So eventually, once the wheels go on,
the thing would.
Yep, you'll be able to spin the wheel. And then there's another one up here.
We think that's supposed to be for the motors.
Yeah, which goes to the front up here.
So we're thinking that is spinning.
And I think with this model that eventually, once you spin this, or if you spin the back wheels, you'll be able to see the motor moving. But basically, there.
Wait, and this piece at the bottom.
Oh yeah, and then it does have the wheelie bar.
So it can like really.
Back there, because I know
In the
eventually
movie.
it'll be, you can have it sit so it sits up. But there is basically the inner shell of the car. It looks like the next part is gonna be building the motor.
Front,
Yep,
the front piece.
the front motor, and then getting the wheels on.
So that would be cool.
So
to see.
we'll go ahead. There is a quick recap, and we'll get back at it to building some more of this in fast motion. Spend Too Much Diecast.
Woohoo!
Alrighty, everybody, and we are going to do a quick recap because we finished bag number 2. And now here we are going on bag 3. Let's see what was total. We've already done 149 steps.
Wow.
And as you can see,
This thing is...
Yep, it's starting to get its shape. So we'll just do a quick recap. We got the wheels on. You can see that the suspension does work. And like I said, I did go ahead and readjust the back spring here, so it will sit a little bit lower in the back. And then I do have replacement parts coming to do the same for the front, so it'll sit a little bit lower, probably like that, I think.
Then the motor does move if you move the wheels.
Yep, so now we figured that this back part here...
It's going to be for the front so it can like...
Yep, there you go. So see this back linkage here? Moves the wheels.
And then if you roll the car, it
okay, just hold on. Then go ahead and press that middle. This is the emergency brake. There you go. By pressing that, it'll do your wheelie.
That thing's so cool.
So when you press that, it locks it up. Yep. And then we also saw now with the back wheels, when you move the vehicle,
the motor does move. See
the motor? You gotta hold the wheels off. But when you spin the back wheels, there is the motor
and the chain
working. Yep. And the cool thing about that is, there you go. The chain is connected in the front, which moves, and then you can see the pistons in there move as well. And that's when, see, when you roll the vehicle. So that is really cool. So it looks like with the next steps, we're going to start building the front end. So make sure you guys continue watching, because at the end we'll see the finished product. So here we go, going back now, starting with bag number 3. Alrighty guys, and we are back. We have just completed step bag number 3. So right now we only have one more bag number to go, number 4, and that'll complete the car. So what we've done in this one
is we've done 2 doors that do open.
Let's put it like that. There you go. Okay, we got the 2 doors that open.
Then
We did the top of the motor. And then what else?
we can open the hood.
There we go. And we got the opening hood. And then we got the front end with all the lights. It does say charger in there in the grill.
We got the steering wheel on.
Yep. Flip it to this side. There is the steering wheel. The doors do open. That is very cool.
Can't do the wheelie because this is too heavy.
No, yeah, the front end's heavy now. So now we'll be doing the back end and
the roof.
Yep.
It's so cool.
That does look cool. And of course the motor still does work in there. All the wheels still
What's cool
turn.
is when you still close it, you can still see that.
You can still see the blower in the front. So there we go. There is bag 3. Now let's keep continuing and do bag 4 in fast motion at Spend Too Much Diecast.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, and we are finished.
Yes!
That took us like 2 days.
It did. This thing took us a while.
This thing is massive.
Yeah, I think it took us, well, it took us 2 complete days, and
Maybe like
I would probably say a good, I don't know.
Hours?
No, it was like 4, I would say 4 hours.
yeah.
I would say a 30 and 45 minutes.
Okay, yeah, it was a good 4 hours. So, here we go, guys. This thing is huge. There it is, right there. Sits about 15 inches long. And it does have some really cool features. So, in the front, you can see the blower and all that. The hood does open, which is cool. And then once you spin the back wheels, you can see this part here moves.
the blower and the pistons.
And then, see in there, the pistons in there do move when you roll the back wheels. So that is pretty cool. And then it also has
Opening doors.
opening doors on both sides.
And the wheel can spin.
Yep, the steering wheel does spin, but it does not move
The wheels.
the wheels.
That is for what this is.
Yep, back here there is a little knob.
And that spins the front wheels.
This spins the front wheels. What else opens?
The trunk.
Trunk opens. There is some NOS in there.
And we forgot to show you off. There's a NAS over here.
Nope, that's a fire extinguisher.
There's
Open the
a
door.
fire station.
And then over here there is a fire extinguisher. Right there. That is pretty cool. And then of course, the cool feature with this one is when you flip the brake, the emergency brake, oh,
It does the wheelie.
he sits and does the wheelie. So that is pretty cool. I do like that.
That's probably like the best feature
Yep.
out of all of it.
And then the only thing that I did a little different is the back suspension. I put them on a different notch so it'll sit a little bit lower down here. Otherwise it usually sits about like that.
Dang,
So that's going to sit a little bit lower. And then I did buy a replacement part in the front to make the front sit a little bit lower. And then I also did buy extra wheels, a little bit smaller wheels. So I guess we'll have to see what that looks like with it. And I also have the lighting kit coming. So we'll get those lights in and I'll show that off to
That's
you.
gonna be really cool.
What's the other cool thing? I think that's about it.
Oh yeah, we were gonna make a Lego figure.
Yeah, I was thinking about making a Dom Lego figure. I gotta figure out
how to make
how to do that. So here it is. There is the complete finish. So just stay tuned. We'll go ahead and show you what it looks like now with the other wheels on it and the lighting kit. Alrighty guys, and here we go. So we are completely 100% complete with this vehicle. So a couple changes you could probably see already. I did go ahead and buy new wheels. So these wheels are actually from the Mustang set. I went ahead and picked those up with a little bit bigger rubber. I think it fits the car a lot better. It looks more of the style of his true Charger. I thought those other wheels were kind of big and gaudy. So I do like the way the Mustang wheels look on here. And it does look pretty slick. And then I did go ahead and buy, I told you I was getting that replacement set. Basically, it's just an extra bar, an extra long bar that goes here and here, which makes the wheels sit a little bit into the wheel well, gives it a little bit lower stance. And then I'm sure you guys can see all the wiring under here, but we did go ahead and get the wiring kit. I got all those in. Pretty cool. I was going to try to do it on camera, but it's just so small and so hard to feed through that I just decided to do it off camera, just because I had to actually hold it in my lap to do most of it. But that, so here we go. There is the finishing look to it. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys what the light looks like. So basically, there's one wire that sticks off the back, which has a USB, which then connects to the battery box. And then you can, you know, put this out of the way or maybe tuck this in the trunk or something. But it's pretty nice. And then if you want to store it, you can always take this wire off, and then you'll just have the wires under the car, and you don't have to worry about dropping anything, because these wires are very thin and very frail. So you got to be careful not to break one of these wires. But let's go ahead and get this thing on, and then I'll show you what all different parts of the lights we got. So there we go. So as you can see right away, you have the dome light, which is pretty cool. And that basically, they need the dome light because that connects the front lights to the back lights. And then there we go. There are the back lights, which would be your brake lights. And that is pretty cool. So there it is with it on, and there it is with it off. So that does look really cool. And the only thing that I will say I'm not a big fan of is I wish that the dome lights were maybe a little bit dimmer, just because it does light up that area a lot. There it is with it on, and there it is with it off. And make sure you guys check out our Facebook page. I will try to get some pictures of this up at night to see what it looks like. And then here we go. Here we're going to look at the front. Ready? There we go. So it does have the nice, they're almost like the HID headlights. And then there are actually lights for the running lights, which are really cool. So there it is with it on, and there is it with it off. That is pretty cool. And I try to hide all the wires in there, so when it's sitting, you really can't see it, and it does look pretty good. So, and I know they might make different kits for this. I found this kit on Etsy. It took about a month to get here, but overall, it does look pretty cool. And then here we go. So that does look pretty sharp. Like I said, make sure you check out our Facebook page. I'll try to put some pictures of what the car would look like at night, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in the daytime. So like I said, you just got to be careful with these. I'm scared that this wire is going to break or something. It is kind of flimsy. But overall, I do think that this lighting kit gives the car, I think it makes 100 times better. And I really do like it with the Mustang wheels, because it looks more like his Charger. And being a little bit smaller, I still think it doesn't take too much away from the vehicle. So there we go. There is the complete build with the extra parts on it and the lighting kit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know the video was long, but you know, with a 5-hour build and then all the explanation, I know it got to be pretty long. But if you're a Fast and the Furious fan, if you're a Lego fan, if anything, I would highly recommend getting this for your collection. I think it is really cool. I wonder if they're going to make any other ones. It would be cool if they made Brian O'Connor's orange Supra, because these two would look amazing next to each other, especially from that first movie. And with the fact that this does go in the air, it would be cool to have that scene redone in Legos. But thanks for watching, everybody. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can join the Spend Too Much Diecast crew. And then go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you guys get notified every time I put up new videos. And again, thanks for staying with us and watching this unboxing. It was really cool. Hope you all enjoyed it. And we will see you on the next one. And then Mia wants to say, give this video a thumbs up. Alrighty, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching another video from Spent2Much Diecast. If you will, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our Facebook page where there are more pictures and information on the vehicle that you have just seen. And also, on the right here, you'll see some more videos from our channel. Thanks again, everybody, and have a great day.